Pasakan E Camp.
Today na trekking.
Pasakit lang sa lawas.
Dugay na po naga-trekking may.
Bago-bago rapod man na ako namang ko na dani lang sa barkada. Katulad kaya nang naggunit sa GoPro. May mga trip magud.
Unsa mo na gear ang kinahanglan pag mag-trekking?
Pangtugnaw master.
Unsa po na sila?
Kaya hapit ko na man. Takigan.
So, kung naa sila thermal na leggings,
basta panyin, jacket,
just
bonnet.
tugnaw kayo rin.
Dapat na di emergency blanket.
Masakit. Turn off GoPro. Gago. Ayo. Ano gamay kayo? Oh, abot lagi na. Ay, sorry. Mana. Tara. Ayos. What's up everyone? So we're finally out. That's where we came from and this is where we're at right now. Mt Apo is certainly amazing. We had a blast and we're about to wrap up and get home. But before that, I just want to introduce to you our very amazing, awesome, epic, legendary guide. His name is Ponce. And he's gonna tell you about how we perform during the whole journey. So kung unsa may kamayo or banga ba may samong pagdagandagan. So this is Ponce, by the way.
No sir, all teams are amazing. Finishing strong. Bisag lapok. Makita ninyo ang trail kaganiya, grabe. But still determined gihapon sila nga mo finish direct.
Yes. So sir, kay ganahan mo jud kay mi sa imong pagay kay grabe. Lami kayong food, lami kayong pagay, basta chill ra kay siya. So we were really taken care of and we felt really safe. So he's very highly recommended. So if you are planning to go hiking, trekking or trail running here at Mt Apo, you know who to find, and this is the guy. So, unsaon nila pagpangita sa mga sir?
So you can reach out from Facebook, Naknar Ikno, and you can text me 0917-764-3199.
Right, that's it. Awesome. So I'm gonna put some details somewhere over in the screen later, how to contact him and how to reach out. And you can also reach out my channel if you need some help. And so this has been Joel. Cheers.